as of my trading as of, what do you want to call it, the end of April 17th, last Friday. There's all my numbers. All my numbers so far for the month of November, or for the month of April. I've had 123 trades this month. I've picked up over 3,000 pips. I've had 119 winning trades. I've had 3 losses. Swap fees has hit me for about $1,100. Total losses has been about $2,000 out of the 3 right there, the 3 losses. There they are, the 3 losses. And based on that, I still walked away with $73,000 in the first half of this month. So when we come over here and take a look at the big picture, you'll notice that 12-month review, after 12 months of review, and this month ain't over yet, I got 2 weeks to go, but based on that, there's my numbers, and we're sitting at 1.24 million for profit so far in the last 12 months. You hit the breakdown button. What you see in the breakdown button is 1,900 trades, 1,876 winning trades, and overall, when you're all done, almost 40,000 pips in the year, for a grand total of $1.24 million. And it's all duplicated. I shouldn't say duplicated. It's all recorded, and we have records on everything. So the systems work. So let's go ahead and jump into trading so you guys can continue to do the same thing. Now let me go ahead and minimize this screen. Let me go ahead and put up our charts. Here are markets real quick. Since last Thursday, we have dollar has strengthened with gains, and it did it on. It's now currently in the very aggressive zone, so you can buy or sell, I should say. We want it to come up so we can sell that currency. The euro, the pound, you want to buy on the next pullback. We get down in those very aggressive zones, a little bit of follow through, a little bit of gains, and then we should see the jump going the opposite direction. Tomorrow, there's no news tomorrow. There's nothing. Only thing I can say for news tomorrow is bottom line. We did definitely close below south of the blue bar, and we've got a support. Actually, if you throw a Fibble up here, let's throw a Fibonacci up here. Let's take a Fibonacci from this rejected low. Okay, come on. Maybe just a little bit of dip through here, just a little bit of sideways grinding, and what's going to happen is this should range and then get ready to go north. Okay, so this is probably going to get ready to swing back up toward this direction. At 1700, very aggressive. You're looking at 1720 at aggressive. You're looking at 1740 conservative, and you're looking at 1760 very conservative. All 3 of my currencies have now gone to profit. Let's go. Euro US dollar, I am looking for a buy. Anything below 29.15. Below 29.15 is a buy. Great Britain pound, I'm also looking for a buy. Anything below 45.20, anything below 45.20 is a buy. Japanese yen, anything above 98.100, 98.100 up in this zone is going to be a sell. As for the Swiss franc, anything that reaches up above 1700, psychological barrier line, 1700 will be a sell. And lastly, the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar, it's kind of sneaking around up there, but on the Canadian dollar, I want to see just a little bit more push up here, and the neighborhood of about 2390, 2400. 2400 would be ideal, but anywhere 2390, anywhere up there, that is where you want to take your sell. Okay, so based on that, I'll minimize that.
Okay, Rick called anything below 29.15 on the euro a buy. It would have gone about 20 pips against you, and then you ended up at about 29.87, so about a 70 pip profit on that particular one. Then again, he called anything on the Great Britain pound below 45.20 a buy, so it went down to 44.66, about 50 pips against you. Then it went up to 46.37, So again, you have had well over 100 pip profit on that particular trade. He called the yen anything above 98.01 a sell. So if you've gone and done a sell at 98.01, it went up as high as 98.44. So that's about 43 pips against you. And so far it's only gone down to about 97.78. So it's about 23 pip profit maximum, but that trade is still in motion. It's 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock Central Time the following day. Then once again he called on the Swiss franc anything below 1700 a sell. So you would have probably sold, let's say for instance 1700. It went up as high as 1718, and right now it's down to 1650. So about a 50 pip move so far. And the final call was the Canadian, anything 2390 at 2400, anything below there a sell. So let's say 2413 you did, or 2400 you did a sell. It did go up to 2421, which is about 21 pips against you. Then it dropped down to about 2340. So again, you would have made about 60 pip profit. Then it shot up way all of your favor. So if you would have closed out in this area, you would have done quite nicely for yourself, or again 60 pip profit. So of these trades, they all worked out quite nicely since he called them last evening. So since 5 o'clock last night, now it's 8 o'clock in the morning, almost 9 o'clock in the morning. These trades all did very well, just as Rick had called them. If you're interested in learning more, or perhaps sitting in on one of the free sessions, one of the nightly dollar wrap-ups or currency wrap-ups, email me and I can get you a link to sit in one of the live events, which again take place around 5 o'clock Central Time. It lasts about 1 hour, and they go over the day's trading, what's going on, and then they give projections for the following day. So email me and I'll be glad to get you in on one session. I'll get you the password or what you need to get on the site. Have a good day, and I hope this was helpful to you. It certainly was to me.